Hair Loss Alleviation. Ginamit ko siya today. Sobrang, ayan, malambot, makintab, makinis. Wow, kutis lang. What's up mga ka-Cessumz? It's me again, Princess! So for today's video, another review vlog about a trending shampoo. So this shampoo is the Grafen Root Booster Shampoo. Ayan. So nagtitrend tong shampoo na to ngayon sa Facebook, Instagram, at kung saan-saan pang social media. So, naisipan kong gawa ng review vlog na rin to dahil kailangan ko rin ng shampoo na anti-hair loss kasi tumatanda na tayo, guys. So, medyo naglalagas na ating mga buhok. Kaya kailangan natin ng shampoo ng mga ganito, yung mga herbal shampoo, ganyan. So, let's start with the packaging. So, ganito lang siya, guys. Ganyan yung bottle niya. Nakalagay dito is made in Korea. Yes, it's a Korean brand shampoo. Kaya puro Korean yung sulat dito. Dito, silicone-free hair repair, hair loss alleviation. And it's 300 ml. Yung bottle niya is dark green. So, the bottle is just plastic. It's a really hard plastic. Sobrang tigas niya. Matibay and with a nozzle. So some details about this shampoo is made in Korea. Anti-hair loss and dandruff. It thickens your hair. It's really moisturizing sa hair. It's paraben-free, guys. And it's made with natural botanical ingredients. It also can give you a healthy scalp. So, meron din silang parang brush na red na bilog. I forgot what it's called, but ipopost ko na lang dito sa video. Ayan, and also the picture. Yan yung ginagamit sa scalp habang nagsha-shampoo ka. So, pag may dandruff ka, yan yung magandang gamitin mo while nagsha-shampoo. Nitong shampoo na to, i-scrub mo lang siya sa hair mo para ka lang nagbabrush ng hair. Gaganon mo lang siya. Mas effective daw yun kapag ka may dandruff ka. Grafen brand also have other kinds of shampoo like Hinoki shampoo, ka-Cessumz shampoo, remover shampoo, and zero dirty shampoo. So those are the other kinds of their shampoos na iba-iba yung effects. So doon na tayo sa smell kung ano bang amoy niya. Sobrang bango niya, guys. As in, ito yung shampoo na masasabi kong walang kaparehas yung amoy. As in, sobrang bango, napakabango, and wala siyang katulad na amoy na ibang shampoo, like yung ibang brands. Hindi talaga, wala talagang kaamoy. Another one. Sobrang bango niya, and nag-i-stay talaga yung amoy niya sa buhok mo ng matagal. When it comes to consistency, hindi siya masyadong malabnaw and hindi rin naman siya sobrang lapot. So, nasa mid lang siya. Malabnaw, medyo malapot lang. So, ganun lang yung consistency niya and sobrang tipid niyang gamitin, guys. As in, sobrang isang pump lang, mabula na talaga siya. Kayang-kaya yung buhok mo mahaba. As in, ngayon actually ginamit ko siya today, yes, and sobrang lambot niya sa buhok. Sobrang lambot talaga sa buhok. Ginamit ko siya today.
Oh my God! Wow!
So, nagamit ko na tong shampoo na to for 1 month and magpapakita ko ng pictures and videos from 1st week to 4th week. siyang gamitin guys, kaya kalahati pa lang yung naubos ko. 2 months ko siyang nagamit. Dahil isang pump nga lang, sobrang mabula na siya sa hair.
Another one. Another one.
Kahit mahaba yung buhok mo, isang pump lang kasya na yun. Where did I bought it? Sa Shopee. Okay, ang kilalang Shopee pa more, no? I bought it for 748 pesos. Yes, it's kinda pricey but I think it's worth it naman because napakaganda ng shampoo na to. Final verdict for this product. So, pros muna tayo. So, first is, I so love the smell. Sobrang bango niya. As in, walang katulad ang kanyang amoy. Napakabango. Sobra.
Okay.
Second, my hair feels so soft and smooth after using it. Sobrang, ayan, malambot, makintab, makinis. Wow, kutis lang. Makintab, malambot, mabango. Ayan, sobrang ganda ng effect sa hair. Kaya gustong-gusto ko siya. It's non-drying. Yes, it's sobrang namomoisturize na yung hair mo and nakakalambot talaga. Ang cons naman for me is pricey siya guys. Kasi yun nga, 700 plus. Sa ibang website, 1,000 pesos. Mura pa nga sa Shopee. And also, dahil sa online lang siya available, hindi siya available I think sa mga malls or supermarkets. Wala naman yata siya dun. So those are the cons for me. But for overall rating, napakaganda nitong shampoo na to. Gustong-gusto ko siya, kaya lagi ko siyang ginagamit ngayon. Hanggang 2 months ko na siyang ginagamit ngayon, guys. So, I'm gonna put the link below, guys, kung saan ko siya nabili para kung gusto niya itry yung shampoo na ito. If you have any questions about this product, you can comment down below. So, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to click that notification bell para ma-notify ka kapag may bagong videos ako. Thanks for watching! Kamsamnidaaa!